Hello everyone! We are making a nutrition video and here is some protein and fat in the form of cow.
Yeah.
Cow meat. I mean beef.
This goes into the oven.
And we cook it like it's raw from inside.
Yeah, medium rare. Or something like that.
We have Iron Max in here. We have also some broccoli there.
Yeah, there's a lot of broccoli, over 1 kilo in this package. And extremely delicious. And these beautiful men are making some good food
Really great.
for your gains.
Yeah, the great sign the meat is ready is when you see the blood coming out there.
Tells you that the food is ready to be eaten by humans.
Yeah.
Extremely delicious.
Blood showing there.
So it tells you that now eat
Fucking
me.
good. Blood showing there.
Blood. It's ready to be eaten by humans.
Meat is there. And now we begin to prepare the broccoli.
Extremely good for your body. And now the broccoli is gonna get in delicious form.
Alright.
No onneksi sä vaan maksoit.
Alright. Mikäs täällä on meininki?
Pihvimeininki.
Minkäs tyyppinen kypsyys?
Oho, jäinen parsakaali.
Ihan hyvä kypsy.
Miksi jäinen?
Oli. Jäinen parsakaali, voi Keijo.
Rouskutetaan täältä tämmönen jäinen parsakaali. Kato, kun jää siellä pinnassa.
Voi vittu.
Oi että.
Onko se jäinen?